BS 30417 covers the use of PPE and making sure that it's inclusive. 60% of all workers are reliant on PPE, and if it doesn't fit, that doesn't encourage them to wear it. So this standard, much like when you go out and buy clothes that fit you, have a broad range of choice that take into account your body shape, your body size, your cultural background. It should take all of that into account and to ensure that the PPE that is purchased ensures that your staff and your people are able to wear it comfortably, it fits, and it makes sure that they are kept safe. People can access this standard, it's freely available, and what it will do is it will enable them to start to think about the processes that they should go through to ensure that the PPE they use in their organisation is inclusive. The first thing that they can do is look at what the risks are that the PPE is trying to solve, how severe they are, what parts of the body they need to protect. And then the bit that is new and comes out of this standard is how they can start to look and talk and involve their people to ensure that what they need and how the PPE needs to fit them is appropriate. It takes them through how they can talk to suppliers for PPE, how they can procure it, and then how they roll it out within their business and ensure that there is suitable training. So this standard supports more inclusive workspaces because it actually considers all of the people that are required. It doesn't just focus on PPE that fits the modern man. So the point is that we have now an opportunity to involve our workforce, to involve our people, to ensure that they're able to say what they need from their PPE and how to make it fit and encourage them to wear it, because that's the other problem, is people won't wear it if they don't feel involved in choosing it and making sure it fits for them. Standards drive inclusion partly by the way they're written, in that they bring together a broad cross-section of experience in order to write the standard. Beyond that, they set clear expectations of what is required, and they ensure that people are able to contribute and be part of however they are implemented within their organisation. So in this particular case, because it's around PPE, what the standard requires and advises users to do is to make sure that they engage with their workforce and make them part of their PPE purchasing and rollout.